How much does it cost to repair or replace a Nissan CVT transmission?
Hello, and welcome to this informative video where we discuss the cost of repairing or replacing a CVT transmission in a Nissan vehicle. If you're facing problems with your Nissan CVT transmission, you've come to the right place. Let's break down the costs associated with repairing or replacing this component.
What is a CVT transmission?
A continuously variable transmission, CVT, is a type of automatic car transmission system that uses a pulley and belt system to provide an unlimited range of gear ratios. Nissan vehicles, along with several other car manufacturers, use CVT transmissions in their cars to improve fuel efficiency and provide a smoother ride.
What determines the cost of repair or replacement?
Several factors determine the cost of repairing or replacing a CVT transmission. These can include the specific model and year of your Nissan, the nature and extent of the damage, whether you need a full replacement or just a repair, and labor costs in your region.
Cost of repairing a Nissan CVT transmission.
If your Nissan CVT transmission needs repair, the cost can vary quite a bit. For minor issues, you might only have to pay around $500 to $1,000. However, if the problem is more serious, the repair costs can escalate up to $2,000 to $3,000 or more.
Cost of replacing a Nissan CVT transmission.
In some cases, repairing might not be an option, or it might be more cost-effective to replace the CVT transmission entirely. If you're facing this scenario, you should be prepared for a significant expense. Replacing a Nissan CVT transmission can typically cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, including parts and labor. Thank you for watching this video on the cost of repairing or replacing a CVT transmission in a Nissan vehicle. While these costs might seem high, it's important to remember that the transmission is a crucial part of your vehicle that can dramatically affect its performance and safety. Always consult with a professional mechanic to determine the best course of action for your specific situation. We hope this information has been helpful for you. Safe driving!